AI for viral content. Create professional videos in minutes, no editing required. Spending hours editing videos? Feeling burned out by complex software? AI is about to change everything for you. Let AI instantly write engaging scripts, saving you hours of planning and drafting time. Next, find stunning visuals in seconds. No stock site browsing needed. AI curates the perfect clips for you. Transform your script into polished voiceovers instantly. No microphones, no retakes, just click and go. Ready to unleash your creativity with AI? Your viral content journey starts now. Brainstorm viral ideas fast with AI. Never run out of fresh content ideas. Here's how AI sparks instant inspiration. Ever stare at a blank page? Not sure what to post next? AI delivers instant inspiration right when you need it. Type a clear prompt. Give me 10 viral reels ideas for fashion. Be specific with your topic and desired format. Watch as AI delivers a list of catchy hooks, viral challenges, quick tips, and creative concepts ready to use. Pick the idea that excites you most. Move fast. Posting early keeps you ahead of the trend and maximizes reach. Which idea will you try first? Take action and let AI unlock your creativity for the next viral hit. AI script generation and planning. Turn any idea into a production-ready script in seconds. Stuck staring at a blank page? AI can break writer's block for short video scripts. Paste your video idea into an AI chat. Be specific about your topic or theme. Request a script that's 30 to 60 seconds, quick, and includes a strong call to action. Review the AI script. Check that it's concise, shareable, and matches your video style. What will you create first? Scripting is now fast, simple, and ready for production. Visual creation with AI. Forget the camera. Your ideas are now the heart of stunning visuals. Need high-quality visuals for your content? No camera, fancy software, or big budget required anymore. Type a scene, like outdoor cafe at sunset, and get a custom, vibrant background in seconds. Describe your setting. Instantly, your workspace or environment appears, tailored perfectly for your story or brand. Create unique characters from your script. No model, photo shoot, or costume needed. Just describe and generate. Turn complex ideas, like time management, into easy visual graphics. No graphic designer required. Boost presentations and videos by adding vibrant overlays, icons, or animated elements with a single line of text. Add standout text in seconds. Mix custom graphics with viral fonts for posts that grab instant attention. Record instantly with dynamic backgrounds and moving graphics. AI makes everything look polished. No video crew needed. Your ideas have no limits. What will you create next with instant, AI-powered visuals? AI video assembly. Turn your creative ideas into polished videos automatically, in minutes. Manual video editing means hours lost syncing clips and lining up transitions. AI video assembly changes everything. Simply drop your script and visuals into one place. No more sorting files or guessing order. The tool matches your script to relevant clips instantly, eliminating tedious manual syncing. Transitions are auto-applied for you. Every scene flows smoothly, with no extra effort. Silence and ums are instantly cut, making your story tight and professional every time. Captions and overlays are added automatically. Your message is clear on every screen, even muted. Compare hours spent editing by hand versus just minutes with automated assembly. The difference is dramatic. AI recommends visuals based on your narration, filling content gaps with stunning, relevant footage. One click produces a finished, polished video, ready to be previewed, shared, or revised. Export in different formats for every platform. Publishing your project is fast and frustration-free. What will you create now that editing is effortless? Focus on your story, not the timeline. AI voiceover and music. Professional sound, without ever recording yourself. Struggling with low-budget audio or no access to voice talent? AI makes it easy to upgrade your sound. Turn any script into natural, studio-quality voiceover in seconds. No recording studio or expensive gear needed. Need content in multiple languages? AI speaks fluently, making videos accessible worldwide with a single click. Change voices, accents, and emotions to perfectly match your story's mood or character instantly. Let AI suggest background music that fits your video's mood. No music theory or searching required. AI detects key moments and automatically syncs music to your story's timing. Seamless production, zero headache. Ready for your content to sound unforgettable? Elevate every video with perfect audio, powered by AI. AI subtitles and captions, the single biggest boost for viewer engagement in short-form videos. Most viewers scroll on mute. Without captions, your story gets lost before it even starts. Auto-captioning with AI is one click. Instantly, every word in your video is transcribed. Style your captions with bold fonts and high-contrast colors for ultimate visibility and impact. Captions boost accessibility for all and dramatically increase your viewer retention and watch time. Ready to maximize your video's reach? Let captions turn every scroll into a new fan. Final touches and export. This last step turns your project into a scroll-stopping masterpiece. Start with auto color or manual color correction to make your video stand out and look vibrant. Tweak the speed of clips to keep energy high and ensure your edit is under 1 minute. Jump into Canva to quickly design an eye-catching thumbnail. Use bold text and a clear subject. Double-check that your export settings are set to vertical and .mp4 so it's platform ready. Export your polished project. Watch the progress bar as your video quickly renders to a shareable file. Locate your exported vertical .mp4 file. Double-check the duration is under 1 minute and quality looks great. Ready to upload and watch the views roll in? Your polished video is set to make an impact. AI for post-upload optimization. Let AI find the perfect moment and method to publish your content. Ever posted a great video only to see low engagement? AI can pinpoint exactly where you're missing out after upload. AI tools analyze your audience data to recommend the precise moment for maximum views. No more random guessing. Forget generic hashtags. Let AI recommend hashtags tailored to your content and what's trending. Amplify your discoverability instantly. AI title analyzers predict click-through rates for your titles. Turn average ideas into irresistible hooks with data-backed suggestions. AI spots trending audio tracks matched to your niche. Stand out and ride the wave of what's hot right now. Stop guessing and start winning the algorithm. What will you optimize first? Step 9. Analytics and iteration. Here's how creators achieve unstoppable, compounding growth by learning what truly works. You have tons of data, but how do you actually know what's resonating? Most creators overlook powerful insights right at their fingertips. Focus on the metrics that matter: watch time, audience retention, and click-through rates. These show what viewers love. Let AI analyze your analytics and surface your top-performing shorts, or flag where to experiment next. Save time, spot trends. Test, learn, repeat. Make one specific change, like refining your title or hook, based on analytics, then measure its impact next round. Every iteration multiplies your momentum. What insights are waiting in your analytics to unlock your next breakthrough? AI for viral content creation. Create viral reels and shorts in minutes with zero burnout. Ever feel stuck, out of ideas, or just too tired to keep up? AI can change the game. Instantly brainstorm viral content ideas using smart AI prompts. Inspiration flows, no overthinking needed. Turn ideas into ready-to-record scripts, fast, clear, and engaging, all powered by artificial intelligence. Auto-create catchy visuals, captions, and eye-popping edits. No advanced skills or exhausting hours required. Ready to go viral without burnout. Start creating now and let AI fuel your growth.